Hey friends, welcome to this part. We will look at the recent feature WatsonX.AI. WatsonX is an IBM generative AI platform. So it provides you access to the APIs, models, and so on. It gives you a single intuitive and collaborative development experience. So what is this? This is primarily focused on generative AI. If you have use cases where you want to build generative AI related applications, then you can use the WatsonX developer toolkit. Now, who can use it? Both of the people can use it. If you are novice, very new to this field, you can still use it. And if you are experienced developer in the generative AI world or the AI world, you can still use it. But what advantage you get is you get faster development cycles and a smoother path to deployment. So this is good for a variety of AI applications, which can include if you have an agent-based generative AI application or RAG-based solutions. RAG-based is a retrieval augmented generation where you have a vector database in the background and your front end application where which is actually a chatbot agent. It talks to the vector database and then it can predict in a better way how to formulate a response. Now the beauty is this software is available on Microsoft. A lot of time people complain that, hey, IBM, your softwares, they don't work on other platforms. So what IBM has done is they have tied up with Microsoft. So this will be available on the Azure Marketplace. Right now it is available only in the UK, but it is also getting available in 13 other additional countries. So with Marketplace, you have a preferred choice for many enterprises, and the customers can now use their committed spend with Microsoft to purchase this software. Okay, so it is part and parcel. Now, from a automation standpoint, IBM has various softwares which includes target process, message queue, web methods, Aspera, Cloud Pak for integration, and so on. All of these are currently available on Azure. But in future, they are trying to bring more cloud options. And Aptio is a acquisition from IBM, which they would very soon introduce on Azure platform. So this was a very small snippet on WatsonX.AI developer toolkit. Remember, WatsonX is an IBM generative AI platform. You get IBM models like Granite and so on. Plus, you also get open source models from Meta, ChatGPT, and so on. If you have not subscribed to this channel is dedicated to help you with cloud certifications, and stay tuned to the latest trends in the technology space, which may include cloud technologies, it may include generative AI technologies as well. Stay tuned, stay focused, and you also have an opportunity to become a member. You can join and become a cloud kernel or a cloud ninja member, and with a very small premium, you can gain access to so many important content, certification, practice questions, and so on. Stay tuned, stay focused. We will see you in the next part.